You have a leaky gutter? Want to fix it yourself? Well, you're not alone. And we today are going to be talking about, for you, the homeowner who might be a little handy, how to go about repairing your gutter yourself. And to do this, I went ahead and met with my service team and talked to them about, hey, we know gutters are one of the few repairs that really are capable of being done by a homeowner or a DIY specialist, right? So what are the keys? And we came up with 4 of them. And this was after I talked with Mike Giacalone and Dale Clymer, who are our service superintendents. And the number one most important step to successfully repair your gutters yourself is using the right materials. And the most common material that we see people mess up is going to be the sealant that they use, because the most common repair is going to be a leak at a joint in the gutter. And what most people don't realize is there's a very, very specific gutter sealant product out there. And most people just go to Lowe's or Home Depot, get an exterior sealant, thinking that will do the job. And it may for a week or two, maybe even a month, but within the season, it generally breaks down, the slow drip turns into a steady drizzle, and you're back to square one. By the time we get involved, we see gutters that have 2-3 inches of just gunk built up because the solution was put more sealant, put more sealant. So always make sure you're using the right material, specifically using gutter sealant. Number 2, really you could call it 1A, be safe. So outside of swapping out a downspout kick out, almost every gutter repair that you're going to do requires you to get up on a ladder and in many cases get up on your roof. So safety is paramount. And when we say that, we're really talking about ladder safety. Always make sure you're securing that ladder to the roof. You can often do that through use of bungee cords or some type of strap system so that that ladder can't shift on you. It's actually anchored right to your gutter or to the home itself. The other big one that people forget about is where you set up your ladder. Always make sure it's a level surface. Make sure those cleats or the bottom of the ladder are dug in. And the cheat code, don't do it anywhere where it's wet, especially wood decks. Wood decks are notorious for having ladder slide outs. So please take your time, be safe, make sure the ladder's in good condition, because it's the most common way you can injure yourself doing this type of repair yourself. Now, the other big one, measure once, cut twice. And yes, I know your grandfather probably told you that, but it's really important when you're talking about gutter repairs. You see, most residential aluminum gutters are all fabricated on site. They're seamless. The only places where you have joints are on the actual corners themselves. So if you do have to do any manipulation, cutting, punctures into it, maybe you're moving a downspout, very, very important, measure twice, cut once, because once you start to manipulate that gutter, you put a bend into it, you're never going to get it back to perfect how it was. And this creates kind of a never-ending cycle because you can't get those pieces to fit nicely back together. And that creates a whole separate problem of how do you fundamentally fix it, which often leads to full-on gutter replacement. So take your time, make sure any bend, any cut you make is needed, and you're not doing anything extra that's going to cause that system not to sit right anymore. Lastly, the 4th one, a lot of times you are repairing gutters that maybe have started to sag. Maybe you have the old spike and ferrules. So you don't want to just bang in those old spikes back in there. If you're trying to resecure a gutter, you got to make sure you use the proper cleat, right? Or what we would call it a hidden hanger. Now you can pick these up at your local Ace or Home Depot, but you want to get a heavy duty gutter hidden hanger when you're going to do that type of DIY repair, because without it, you can end up causing way more issues. The gutters can actually fall down, cause all sorts of damage when you're actually trying to attempt that 1, 2, 3 months down the line, especially here in Michigan, where we know every winter they are going to sit there with snow and ice in there, which is just going to make it that much heavier and that much weight that your gutter has to support. The last one, only use light kind materials. Most gutters are made out of aluminum. Aluminum does not play nicely with other materials, specifically steel. When you put those two together, it causes corrosion and it can make the system break down. So just take a breath. Make sure if you're adding screws or anchors to your system, if you have an aluminum gutter, make sure you're using aluminum products. Now, if that seems like a lot to you, we understand. And if you're in that situation after watching this, don't worry, we can help you, whether it's cleaning out your gutters, fixing them, gutter protection like gutter guards, you name it, we can hop to it and help you with it. All you got to do, give us a call at 586-566-0308 or follow the links below, skip the line and book it online yourself. We really do hope that if you're about to attempt this type of repair, this is giving you the proper information so when you do the repair, you do it safely, you do it once, and you do it right. As always, hope you got some benefit, and I hope you have a Kanga-Roofic day.